what are we making today, Anthony?
Cupcake for Santa.
Cupcakes for Santa? Okay, so what do we do?
Potato, not potato.
Oh, for Santa. Sorry, I didn't pronounce it right. Okay, so we're going to make some red ones. What color are they going to be?
Blue ones. Like that.
Oh, that's burgundy. So pour that in there. Okay, first you put the whole mixture. Whoa, buddy. Anthony loves making cupcakes. Who are you, Anthony?
I'm a muffin man.
Anthony the Muffin Man. Okay, so now you're going to pour the water, 1/4 the water, and 1/3 of oil. Oh, I'm sorry. Go ahead. What is it?
Oil. No. It's oil.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know. Now I know. Okay, that's going to turn it into a nice color. Pour it all in there. Okay. Oh, excuse you. Excuse you. Poor Santa. I hope Santa don't get the cold.
No.
Okay, now you gotta give me the eggs. I need 3 eggs. Por favor. Give me 1 egg. I roll it out for you. Por eso se te caía. ¿Ya ves? There we go. We need 1 egg. I help you break it. Okay. Oh, be careful. Now you know how to break them, huh? Okay, we're going to pour 3 eggs in there. There's 1. Whoops, sorry. Whoops. Boy, I think Mommy needs help. This time is Mommy pouring eggshells in the mixture. Alrighty. Now we need another one. That's 2 eggs. How many is going to be that one?
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Three eggs. Now we're gonna mix it with the mixture. Where's the machine at?
I have.
Okay, can you get that for us? Alrighty, you big strong boy. You need some help? Okay. Whoa, don't shoot at me. First you gotta put it in there. Okay, you gotta hold it tight. You're getting so good at this, Anthony. You do a great job. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. All the fun and okay. Person sleigh, hey! Dashing through the snow in a one-horse person sleigh. You know the whole song? Okay. Yeah, I do Santa. Okay. So we're almost done. Look at this beautiful color. This is so easy. This is fun stuff to do when you're at home and it's snowing outside. 12, 14 inches a day. Yeah, baby. Getting ready for Santa to come home. He loves cupcakes. Muffins. Especially the ones Anthony made. So Anthony, somebody told me that you know how to sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star for the baby when the baby comes home.
I know that.
You know how? Okay. Well, you sing it. Oh, wow. Okay, slow down. You did a great job with Twinkle Little Star. I love that one. That one's my favorite.
Me too.
Alrighty, buddy. So now, what are we doing? We're going to fill in. You want to help?
Oh.
You want me to do it? Oh, remember we gotta spray a little bit of spray pan, so...
Yeah!
we don't...
Oh no! I can't do it this time here!
I forgot. I always gotta have you to remember me, huh? Remind me. We need a little bit of spray so they don't get sticky. And they get so good. Buttery flavor.
Here.
Okay.
Here.
Were you gonna let me do it this time, buddy? Oh, thank you.
Now I have to look there. No.
Anthony, and when your muffins are ready, what are you gonna put on them?
Cup. And just put down, and down. No, put down, and down, and down.
Oh my God, you got so many things to put on them. Different colors, different flavors. What colors do you have? Do you have Christmas colors?
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8.
4, 7, 8. It's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is mucho. Okay, we're almost done here. These are so easy to make, huh, Anthony? 15 minutes. Ready. Cupcakes. Santa Claus cupcakes.
Look at it. Here. The wings.
Well, Anthony, thank you for letting me help you and letting me do this. Usually you do it. Did you want me to do it this time?
Napkin.
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah. Just there. Yeah, do that.
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah, napkin.
You need a napkin? Actually, no, you can't, because you get sick.
I like to do this.
You like to get sick?
It's funny.
Oh, it looks like blood. Ouchie! Oh! We need a doctor in the house.
No.
No, we don't. It looks like ouchie. Okay, and now what do we got to do, Anthony? What are we doing with these? I don't know what to do. No, but I don't know what to do with these, Anthony. What do we do next?
Put it in there.
Here you go, buddy.
Oh, thank you.
So you put it in the oven? Okay, so then we put the stuff on later, right?
No,
what do you got? Pretzels, you got sprinkles, you got icy color. So we can do those when it's ready. If you do that right now, well look, if you do it right now, it's gonna get burned.
No, do that one now here.
We gotta do it right after. So we see you in a little bit.
No, I want to do that here.
Se te van a quemar.